We're in Vegas, baby. Hey guys, welcome to another episode with those bros. And today we're at Speed Vegas. Have you ever wondered what this place is 10 minutes before you get to Vegas? Well, today we're gonna give you the insights. Speed Vegas is where you could drive exotic and fast cars like Porsche, Ferrari, and Lamborghinis. Let's go check out these powerful cars and the racetrack that makes this place unique.
Alright guys, let's go. And if you're new here and don't know who we are just bros who travel with their parents and show you fun and adventurous places. And in some cases, help you out with tips and hacks. Once you get in, it's pretty cool because they have an awesome showroom. And this is where you get your bracelet to go in. Or register to drive the supercar. And you do that by going with one of the staff members like this young lady who helped us out. She was really cool and helpful. She helped us sign our papers, gave us our bracelet, and we're ready to go. Driving one of these supercars could cost you from $200 to $550, depending on what car you pick. Here are some of the prices for you guys to check out. Once you have been registered, you will be guided to pick your helmet and be ready to drive the car of your dreams.
Now let's go to the outside and check out the supercars. Let's start with these beauties. Let us know in the comments which one you would pick. Too many good choices with these supercars. Man, these supercars are nice. And these two Ferraris must be really popular because they were getting picked a lot. If I was old enough to drive, I would probably pick one of these Ferraris. Let's hear that engine on the track. Ah, like music to my ears. Meanwhile, Big Bro is checking out the Corvettes. One cool thing about Speed Vegas is that you don't have to be the driver to check out the insides of the cars. All you have to do to see these cars is sign a waiver at registration. All ages as long as kids are with adults. There is no charge to come check out these beauties. Another one of my favorites and my sister is the Lamborghini. Check out the sound of that powerful engine.
These cars are nice. It's kind of hard to pick which one is your favorite from all these supercars. And check out this nice Ferrari.
Dad was loving these cars, but this Porche was really getting his attention and decided to take it for a spin.
That's right, my boy. This car was fast, smooth, and furious. I felt like Will Smith in Bad Boy. So don't joke about my driving. I might slap you.
Good one, Dad. But really, you sure looked like you were having fun in that car. Let's take a moment to hear those engines.
These cars are super nice. Makes you want to have one.
That's right, Dad. One day, with the help of these guys hitting the subscribe button. It only takes a second to help these bros out. Go ahead and hit it while we're checking out this Audi.
Those bros were having fun checking out the cars.
And guys, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to not miss any cool future adventures. It's free and it will tremendously help our channel grow.
So make sure to stop at Speed Vegas on your way to Vegas to check out the supercars. Another cool thing you can do here is ride along in a police car with an experienced driver that will make your heart beat so fast when he drifts his car.
And after, you can come take some cool photos with the cars. And another attraction here is the powerful go-karts and off-road vehicles. Here's the go-karts they have. Pretty cool, aren't they? Once you register, you could also come get your helmets. Lockers are available. These go-karts are so powerful you can hear them sliding on the curves. These are really fun, and they also have the option for double seater.
And lastly but not least are the off-road cars and racers, because you can also come to Speed Vegas to have some dirt fun.
Have no shame, there's no time. Feel the pain, live the grind. I could change, in my mind. Pick a lane, commit and climb. The only way.
Once you pick your off-road vehicle, you are ready to go to the tracks.
Don't forget to check out our other video when we did racers in Los Cabos. It was lots of fun and next to the beach.
Let's check out the off-road vehicles and the racers that they have. Little bro was enjoying checking out these racers. They even had the 4-seat option. These bad boys must be a lot of fun.
And don't forget to like, subscribe to not miss any more future adventures. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dos Bros, we out.
Bye bye, brother. See you next video.
They wanna